Creating a cozy reading area is a great way to utilize and personalize an empty corner in any space in your home. We've anchored the corner with this button-tufted chaise that provides a comfy seating option, and the plush rug adds pattern and another layer of comfort to the space. Next, we added the small accent table to hold your favorite beverage and current book. And the metal base of the accent table brings out the warm mustard yellow color in the rug and the throw. The shabby chic lamp with its curvaceous base provides the task lighting needed for reading, and we've added some aliveness with several plants and succulents. No reading area would be complete without a place to store your books, and this bookshelf with glass doors provides function and style by organizing your books and displaying your personal items and accessories. We'd love to see your reading corners. Tag us on Instagram at AFWOnline #Shelfie. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.